Hi, this is John from RaceSpec. We've been making our Pro bash plates for a few years now, but we've developed a new product or a new material in the bash plates which is virtually indestructible. We enlisted some material engineers to help us and would like to demonstrate how strong these are now, because if you can break it, we'll replace it. So let's open a brand new one up. First, we're going to do our sledgehammer test. You've probably seen that before. Give it a couple of hits. Now, jackhammer. It's looking pretty good so far. Drive the ute over it. Stand back in case it flies out and hits you in the head. Okay. So have a look at that. Just had a ute go over it, but once it's on the bike, it's so strong. Basically, the strength of it is combined by all of the shape. So if you have a look at this one here, this one's been on the bike for about 6 months, but just finished national level hard enduro. It was absolutely pounded, rock after rock after rock. So, as I said, if you get one of these new Pro 2 bash plates and you break it, we'll replace it. Guarantee they're the strongest thing out there.